Oh yeah, you can see that for sure. Wow. Yeah, like rough, like grainy. Oh wow, Ken, look at this. I bet you that's been in a movie or two. Look at that.
It's a nice paint job, really nice paint job.
I'm pretty sure I've seen this car in some magazines.
Mother's, that's a Grand Marquis? Wow.
Yeah, I've seen this in some
Dad.
movies.
It's a Grand Marquis. Wow, that doesn't even look like a Grand Marquis anymore. That's nice. Really good paint job.
Oh, I didn't take a good notice on the taillights, but yeah, I see the taillights now.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Good picture.
Where to? Keep going?
You know what? Hey, I'm gonna go straight back because there's a men's restroom back there.
Yeah.
I got it.
That was usually a good one to get into too.
Yeah, I know.
What's that?
The one back restroom.
Oh,
back there.
down here?
Most people don't go back there.
Oh.
Look, if you guys would have literally just waited 4 minutes, we ran into 3 beer.
Yeah, but this one was free.
You can't beat that.
Are you kidding?
You can't beat that.
All right.
One of them was free.
Like, hey, is the beer free here?
11, 12. I'm like, I'm thinking about
Yeah, I didn't
like
catch that. Yeah, 8 and 8, 16. She'll only
She
give me.
said 16. She was like 16. I saw you hand a 20. I'm like, okay,
I love
gonna
this.
give
I
me
wish
this?
you would have thought it was a 50. Oh, hey, here's some.
I'm almost surprised they don't have records and stuff here as well. Sometimes they
Yeah, you need some beers?
I want to buy it.
He's going to the bathroom.
Right.